And you don't do any crypto?
No.
Nothing?
No.
Why?
Because I don't know enough about it.
Do you want to learn more about it?
No. What we say, bro, you got to become bro. I don't knock anybody for it. Like, I think it's fucking awesome,
bro. It's the craziest investment vehicle you could ever use.
But do you know how much time it will take me? Like, you can teach me about it, but I don't even want to cloud my fucking mind with more info that I don't need to fucking use, because now I'm distracted from being great at the things that I'm trying to get great at.
For me, it's a fucking hedge because I'm freaked out by what the US dollar is going to be.
Bro, I don't care. That's fear-based.
It's not fear-based.
That's fear-based.
It's logical investing.
It's the fucking government, bro. At the end of the day, if the government wants you fucking broke, you're going to be broke. Like, you're not defeating the fucking government. That's just what it comes down to.
No vehicle can grow as fast as crypto, right? So like never before in time has an asset been able to appreciate at 4,000% in a 6-month span.
How much is one share of Bitcoin right now?
So that's only Bitcoin. Like, I'm not just talking
about How much is
Bitcoin.
One share of Bitcoin right now?
Bitcoin just hit 63.
63 what?
1,000.
Okay.
That's only Bitcoin.
Yeah.
So like there's Hex. Hex at the beginning of the year, Matt made $1 million off of Hex this year in a 6-month span.
But at a really good time because he had the knowledge on it too.
Right. But like, again, like,
and he took a risk because it wasn't secure that motherfucker was going to grow.
No, but there's like a 2-year span before that they're still growing.
Mm-hmm.
But even like, you say the same thing about Bitcoin, say the risk about your fucking arbitrage shit.
Yeah, exactly. But you invest in crypto, but you want to invest in arbitrage?
No, I'd throw it in crypto any day.
Because one day they might sell it to me. Just like one day crypto might grow. But it's still a risk. You don't know.
No, I mean,
but why would I not take that risk?
But crypto's not going away.
The house ain't going nowhere. It might burn down. At that point, they may sell it to me a dime on a dozen because they got the insurance money.
But let me get back to my crypto point. So at no point in time has a vehicle been able to grow at that rate in that amount of time.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So like, even if like we can buy real estate and we do create like X amount of returns, you're not creating 4,000% returns in a 6-month span. To where, and again, you're going to look up stuff that's researched, like, okay, what is the back end technology of this? And all that other nonsense. Well, not nonsense, like the really good information you need to know. But like, if you would have bought Cardano, Hex, the fuckers who did, buy Bitcoin a while ago, but you're coming up like even the goddamn Shiba coin, and I don't see any value in Shiba. Dudes were changed. They are never working again because they bought $1,000 worth of Shiba like a year ago, 2 years ago. Like crazy money.
Yeah. See, here's the thing. You almost got to have that type of money to be able to take that type of risk. Like if I'm making $1 million a year, I might throw about $100,000 towards some crypto and see if that shit works out. But I'm not. So I ain't throwing $100,000 towards shit that I don't know that's going to work out. I'll throw it at Airbnb though because I know it's going to make me some money.
Speculative crypto investing yet, right? In like the random fucking meme.
Yeah. Because now you're paying somebody else to do the work for you because they have the knowledge, they have the teams, they have the, like, you know what I mean? Like at that point, like in order for me to invest in something like that, obviously I'm going to do it through someone that I know, like, love, trust, stuff like that. But then I'm also paying for the value that they bring to me also.
Yes, and I've thought about this, right? Like, do you invest in like a fund? And I was talking to a dude 2 weeks ago in Orlando. He was like, yeah, my friend makes X amount of return off of his crypto investments, and I just give him my money and he takes a share. I don't know why I'm not comfortable with that. I feel, again, it's another limiting belief I have to overcome, to where it's not that much knowledge and education that you have to gain if you spend time like over a 3-week span on YouTube, reading documentaries. And then you can like, okay, I understand the back end value. Like I understand everything that's going on here. And then you can do research on certain coins to where like, oh yeah, well this one, they want to eliminate Social Security. Like they want to eliminate like on the blockchain. They're like, okay, no one will ever get their identity stolen again. That's something I believe in, right? And so it goes into investing in that.
So crypto becomes political.
No. No, I didn't explain it well enough.
I don't understand.
And then NFTs.
I was in Steve's training today. I don't understand. Can you help me understand this?
No.
No. So I have nothing against it. I don't like. I'm ignorant to it, and I'm okay with acknowledging that I'm ignorant to it. That I could be missing out on something, And I've just, in my mind, I've come to great terms. I'm okay with missing out on it if I'm just, to me, I don't even want to say it's not worth it at this point in time, because I'm probably missing out on something great. But as of right now,
we'll have a talk in a year, and I'll show you how much you're missing out, fucker.
With all these unsecured fucking Airbnbs, I might be good by that time.